Have you ever thought about quitting your job, waking up when you want, and getting paid $3,100 per month without lifting a finger? Well, that's exactly what dividend investing can do for you. And in this video, I'm going to show you the fastest way to build a dividend portfolio that pays you enough to cover your bills. So, how much money do you actually need to invest to generate $3,100 per month in dividends? There are two main ways to do it. The first is using the 4% rule, a common retirement strategy that suggests withdrawing 4% of your portfolio annually without running out of money. To generate $37,200 per year using this approach, you'd need $930,000 invested. The second way is by investing in high-yield dividend stocks that offer a 7% yield, meaning you'd only need $531,000 invested to hit the same goal. This sounds much more doable, right? But high-yield stocks can be risky, so you have to pick wisely. Not all dividend stocks are created equal. Some pay super high yields but might cut dividends in a downturn. Others pay lower yields but consistently grow their payouts. The key is to find a balance between safe, stable dividend stocks and higher yield opportunities. For safety and long-term growth, you want blue-chip dividend stocks like Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, and Procter & Gamble. Companies that have been paying and increasing dividends for decades. If you're looking for bigger payouts, high-yield stocks like Realty Income, Altria, and AT&T are solid options, but they come with a bit more risk. For those who prefer an easy, diversified approach, dividend exchange-traded funds like Schwab US Dividend Equity, Vanguard High Dividend Yield, and Invesco S&P 500 High Dividend Low Volatility can provide a great mix of dividend income and long-term growth. Now let's talk about how to grow your dividends even faster. And this is where dividend reinvestment plans, or DRIP, come in. Instead of cashing out your dividends, you reinvest them automatically to buy more shares. Over time, this strategy compounds your returns, leading to exponential portfolio growth. For example, if you invest $10,000 into a stock with a 7% yield and reinvest the dividends, in 20 years, you'd have over $50,000 without adding a single extra dollar. This is how small investments turn into dividend machines over time. So how do you build this dividend portfolio as fast as possible? First, maximize your tax-advantaged accounts like a 401k with employer match and a Roth IRA for tax-free growth. Second, increase your income and invest more by picking up a side hustle, cutting unnecessary expenses, and consistently investing every single month. Dollar cost averaging, investing a fixed amount regularly, ensures you keep growing your portfolio no matter what the stock market is doing. Even if you only invest $500 per month, in 20 years you could have over $500,000 thanks to compounding. So, let's recap. We covered how much you need invested to make $3,100 per month, the best dividend stocks and exchange-traded funds to build your portfolio, and how to fund it as quickly as possible. If you stick to this plan, it's very possible to retire early and have dividends cover all your bills. Now here's your action step. If you're serious about dividend investing, drop a comment with your favorite dividend stock or exchange-traded fund and hit that like button if this video helped you. Let's build that passive income together.